Ladies and gentlemen, let me give you a review of one of the best recording software I have ever used in my life. And it's called Recordly. Recordly is the best recording software for recording tutorials and showcase top videos. So, and I'm using Recordly for recording myself, and it's amazing that you don't need to edit your videos and all this stuff. As you can see, it will automatically detect your cursor movement and zooms in, zoom in, zoom out a little bit based on these things. Like if you wanted to, like if I wanted to show you the uh, the URL of Recordly, I can just go to the bar and I can like click on here. This is the recordly.dab. It will automatically zoom in. You'll maybe see it's zoom in and shows you the recordly.dab. It's amazing, and also you will get an editor editing option where you can edit the cursor movement and cut down a little bit based on whatever you have. Also, you have option to give a background of your video, so it looks much more professional. You can do a lot more things, and the best part is it's completely free.